Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about Caspa, really understanding what's happening with the price of Caspa right now and what we could be expecting going into Friday morning. Looking across the board, yet again, red across the board, as you can see, due to Bitcoin and the dominance. Again, we discussed this day in, day out, so it shouldn't really be a big surprise for any one of us at this point. But over the last 1 hour, you are seeing a little bit of relief across the market, which is great to see. As far as Caspa is concerned, it's up 0.5%. But let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening on the closer time scale. So the price is currently sitting at 11.5 cents, pretty much maintaining its price around that range, which is good to see, of course. Down 1.7% in USD, and we're up 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative. The market cap currently sitting at about $2.9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 141.9 million. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So what is going on? So as far actually, let's take a look at the dominance on the hourly time frame today. So if you're looking at the dominance index here, let's kind of zoom in for you guys. So dominance index actually has been pulling down, believe it or not. We actually went up to the likes of 58.6%. We know about that resistance, and since then, dominance pulling down, while Bitcoin actually is making its way back towards the upside. A little bit of a bounce, nothing too crazy, but the fact that it has been a little bit of a bounce for Bitcoin's price while dominance went down, this is going to be a good deal for altcoins, and you can see that for yourself. But it's not a time to be getting super excited just yet, in my opinion. We could see the dominance, picking up traction in a snap. So yeah, like I said, you don't really want to be getting super excited right now as far as that is concerned. Bitcoin, if it's able to break out of this resistance right now, I did mention this in my HBAR update as well, I could see, Bitcoin reclaiming back above that $97,000 to, $98,000 quite fast if this were to happen. But we'll see how Bitcoin reacts going into, Friday morning. I'll keep you guys covered, of course. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Caspa's price. So you can see Caspa's price, this right here is the hourly time frame. Let's kind of zoom in. So of course, at this point, we know, Caspa's price was sitting at 12.19 cents. We made our way down to the 11.2 cents. As of now, we still have not retested, that low that we set for ourselves back in November, the November 4th wick. We came very close on December 20th as the broader market. And yes, not just Caspa, this move right here was due to the broader market making its way down to the 11 cents price point. But we did see a beautiful bounce after that. But we spoke about this yesterday. You are seeing significant amount of bearish action from Caspa because we didn't even retest the key resistance itself. Even if we retested it, I think it would have been good. But the fact that we did not even retest the key resistance, shows the bearish price action that there really is. So as far as us retesting, because a lot of people are actually thinking realistically when it comes to Caspa, and I like that. The feedback has been amazing. People are pretty much on the same page. If the price of Bitcoin does see a shakeout, dominance does go up, yes, there is a really, really high chance that we do break below the November lows. And that is still on the table, unless, of course, we make our way back above this key resistance. We would be having a completely different conversation. But as of now, complete, bearish price action here. So far, obviously, the market has seen a little bit of an uptick, as I've stated to you guys before. You are looking at Caspa reacting to that, which is nice to see. Obviously, we have some resistance. I can literally show you guys this on the hourly time frame as the price is trying to break out. There is some resistance coming in its way. If this resistance is able to break out, I think 12.1 cents could be a target. Maybe the 12.5 cents. But you really want to see, if you are a Caspa holder, you want to see the 13.5 cents key resistance reclaimed quite fast. But let me know your thoughts down below. I know a lot of people are saying that Caspa is bearish right now. You're not seeing as much bullish conversations around it like we were seeing early on. But this is where everyone's risk factor comes into play. People that are obviously dollar cost averaging, and I'm sure they are doing their due diligence research and believing in the long-term future. But at the end of the day, it's extremely extremely important to do your due diligence research and invest what you can afford to lose. I cannot stress this enough. But let me know down below what you guys personally think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.